Hello everyone. Today we will present our solution to OT-ICS attack vectors on behalf of Group 2. So what do OT or ICS mean? OT stands for Operational Technology and they are computing systems that are used to manage industrial operations. On the other side, ICS are systems that are used to monitor and control industrial processes. The protocols that are prone to OT-ICS security breaches are Modbus, a protocol used to enable communication between PLC and the main controller, which is prone to recon attacks, man-in-the-middle attacks. DNP3, which is a protocol that is prone to response replay attacks and man-in-the-middle attacks. S7COM, a leading protocol used in industrial networks that is prone to session hijacking and spoofing attacks. There are various international standards that provide guidance on OT-ICS security, such as IEC 62443, which mentions the IECS lifecycle and its security, or the NIST 800-82, which provides guidance on improving OT security. A few examples of such attacks are Oldsmar water plant attack in 2021 and the Oil India Limited attack in 2022, which had devastating impact respectively. The top three attack vectors identified in such attacks are insider threats, ransomware, and advanced persistent threats, also called as APTs. To tackle this, we have come up with the set of prevention and mitigation strategies, which can be easily remembered by the acronym BUILD ICEMAN. The prevention strategies discuss about backup and restore, user account management, incident response, logging, and disaster recovery. On the other hand, the mitigation strategies discuss isolation of resources, maintaining cyber hygiene, continuous evaluation, minimizing attack surface, maintaining an updated asset inventory, and lastly, nurturing talent and promoting awareness. Our belief is that following these recommendations would help significantly in tackling these attack vectors. The pain points in OT-ICS environments are as follows. Conducting VAPTs is often manually done and is tedious. There is information gap between teams. The threat intel is not relevant when working in different sectors. Handling legacy systems becomes a big challenge. Lastly, there is often limited visibility for cybersecurity teams due to criticality of systems. In conclusion, these are the COTS or open source tools that we recommend for mitigating OT ICS attack vectors. We thank you for your time.